Instagram call not connecting and showing the no answer report problem message. Let me walk you through the steps that usually fix this issue right away. First, open your Play Store or App Store. Tap the search bar and look for Instagram. If you see an update available, go ahead and install it. Outdated versions are a common cause of call failures. Once the update finishes, head into your phone's settings. Scroll down and open General. From there, tap iPhone Storage, find Instagram in the list, and select it. Choose Offload App. This refreshes the app without deleting your data. If you're using Android, just clear Instagram's data or reinstall the app completely. After the reinstall, restart your phone to refresh the system. Now try your Instagram call again. If you followed every step, the error should be gone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more simple fixes and updates.